Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
God, that was close.
A lot of money to conservative groups.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh my goodness!
Okay, well that happens.
Holy fudge!
Let's try. You guys, living here is gonna be fun all the time. Make the entire apartment a fort. I'll get more blankets.
És szerintem ő is ezt csinálta, hogy nem akarta visszaküldeni, hanem
What the f*** are you doing? Gyere, bazd meg!
But then it gets even more. Yeah, I know. It gets more f***ed up. And then let's see what the random f***ed up thing. I don't know. I know it's not that great. And then you have a one here, and another one, just a random creature.
What the
Northern Health says because of the staffing shortage, it will not be accepting any new emergency patients between 7 this morning and 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll look at the BC weather for the North Coast. Mostly sun and cloud, high of 2. Mostly cloudy conditions today with a high of 7 degrees.
On her experiences as a hijabi, as a Muslim woman, the song they're going to play for us, Chemical Mark. You said that it was inspired by stress could leave a chemical mark on their hearts, and that's something they could pass down across to.
Why I was the way that I was, why people treated me the way that they treated me, because I didn't understand it. So when I came across this, I went over it because it was all the answer. Again, the weekend.
Is there a problem with the driver? Has she been drinking?
No.
That's 3 near misses that I saw.
When I stopped in the parking lot,
I have it all on video, so don't try to explain
I'm
away
not
whatever
explaining
bullshit that it
I
is.
have the video as well over there.
That's
you
good.
did not do any indicator or anything when we pushed the horn.
Don't
everything. I'm not
explain away.
anything.
I have you on video. I'm posting it on the net, and I have a good mind right now to call the police because she is obviously impaired. You can take whatever pictures you want. I would be happy to call the police right now. And if you want to call the police, I would be happy to wait for them and show them the video. You are ill-equipped to drive that vehicle. You're a rolling disaster. Go find somebody else to hit, okay?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.